Since most of you don't know, so why not I teach you how to check the ones who unfollowed you after getting a follow back without using any third-party app so that you don't risk your Instagram account. So why wait? Let's get it started. Showing everything on the screen recording. First we will click this three dot option on profile. We will wait for it to open and then we will click to account center. Then you will reach down to your information and permissions section when you scroll down. Okay, then we will open download your information. Basically we are downloading our information. Okay, so if you have downloaded anything earlier, then you'll see it here. Otherwise you just have to click on download or transfer information. Then we want some of our information, not all, so some of your information only, because we are checking followers and following only. Yes, we are not going to check for messages and all that. If you want, you can download all. Then we will scroll down till we reach to connections. Here it is, and followers and followings. We will click on it. Then we will download it to device only. I am not transferring it to anywhere. Create files. You can change the date range. I am not changing it. I want all of my information, not some. You can change date as per you want. Okay, when you click download, your information will prepare, and then after some time you will get to see it like this. It would be available for downloading. Okay, download option is available. You can click on download, then you will see this is what you will see in folder. We will click on connections, then followers and followings. So basically this followers and following.html, these two files are important for us. Now I'm telling you an important website, which is comparetolist.com. You will search that on Chrome and you will see the first one, which is what we are going to use. So click on this one and wait for it to open. So you can see there we have two options, list A and list B. I can't show you full screen right now. So list A and list B. So basically we are going to add following in list A and followers in list B. Or you can do vice versa, but just keep it simple. Okay. So click on the following.html and select all the text and copy all the ones. I am blurring it for safety reason. Copy them and paste to list A. Then to list B we will copy just like that followers.html. Select all and copy all, then paste them to list B. Okay, so after pasting we have to click on the button which is on the left side. It says compare list. So basically click on this button till it's processing. It will compare the two lists. Wait for it. After comparison, it will give us these things. So basically we want only in list A, because in list A we choose following. So here's the logic. Only in A means the people who are only in our following list, not in followers. Okay, so we downloaded that list. Now you can scroll down these numbers till you reach the names. So the names are those who are not following you currently. So here is it. For more such amazing content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram if you want.